Hello friends! In this video, I will be answering many common questions from social media about the COVID-19. Stay with me. Hola, this is Lady and welcome. I am a childcare provider in the city of Palm Bay, California. I do educational videos for childcare providers who wants to improve their business. If you are into this kind of videos, please subscribe. Click also the notification button so you won't miss my next video. Without any delay, let's begin now. First question. It's mandatory to wear a mask in a childcare. So wearing a mask now is required statewide. But in a childcare, it's not mandatory. It is a recommendation. I do wear a mask when I visit any store or any other place that is not my home. Now in my childcare, I don't wear a mask. For some reason, after 30 minutes of wearing a mask, I get sick. Who knows why? My doctor couldn't explain to me. In the month of May, we have tried wearing masks with the kid. We got also the face shields and it didn't work for us. I have 6 toddlers and imagine wearing a mask for 6 to 8 hours. It will be impossible. If you have done this with your toddler, you are the best. And please share with me your tricks. I would like to know how you did. We gave up because I spent my time more trying to keep their mask on their faces. With my school kids age, it worked for a few hours, but most of the time didn't. I live in a city where it's super hot, so it gets very uncomfortable. We're talking about more than 100 degrees. When I saw all those questions in social media, especially Facebook, something that I did when I have a question, don't ask your friend, please. The best way to do is contact your analyst from licensing. Unless you see a document coming and it tells you it is mandatory, you don't have to follow this kind of recommendation if it doesn't work for you. But if it works, I'm really happy that you can do it. So I contact my analyst. I just wanted to be clear. I was confused. One provider was telling me one thing, then another provider telling me something completely different. So I had to go and do my research. I read a lot. I wanted to have an answer. And I'm a person that needs an answer right away because this is about kids. This is about our business. So we want to make sure that we are getting the answer from the right resource. My analyst said to me, do what you can do best. Don't stress yourself. And when she told me that, I got it. She mentioned to me that this is a recommendation from the CDC that licensing had to follow. She also gave me the number of the public health department in case I have a question. I can also contact them. But we are still making a lot of changes to protect our children, families, and of course, us. So how am I protecting the children during this pandemic? What we are doing is more hand washing. 20 seconds. A lot of hand washing. And we're gonna try to make some bubbles. Don't forget to check these steps. We really help you and guide you. The other way that we are protecting the kids is we are cleaning a little bit more than before and we are disinfecting way more. Especially our toys, our counters, the sinks, the toilets. I'm gonna start cleaning and then I will disinfect. So I will use water and soap and then just a clean towel. And this will be mainly to remove all the food after lunch. This towel is already dirty, I'm not able to use. This one has to go to a basket to be washed. We are also limiting toys. We don't have the toys that we used to have before. Anything that is made of cloth, I don't have it anymore. So right now what I'm using is mainly more toys that are made of plastic, which is easier for me to wash. We also stopped doing the sensory table group. We don't do that anymore. Now we have sensory bottles and also we have sensory trays. Now our parents don't come inside anymore. They pick up and drop off outside. We also check the temperature daily, and here in this video you can see a little bit how I do it. Good morning. How are you guys doing?
Good, and you?
Did you already sign in?
Yes, we did.
Okay, Mom, I'm going to check your temperature really quick. 97.1. Is it anything? Hi, how are you doing? Good, thank you. 97.1. I use this thermometer and I got this one from Amazon, and I haven't had any problems. Before I used to have this one. With this one you have to disinfect it every single day, so that will take a lot of time. So this one is the best option. You just point it and you can see right away the results. And plus it has a memory button, so I really recommend this one. I'm gonna be posting the link at the end of this video. Check the description and you're gonna find the link from where I got. Now in this video also you guys can see me writing notes. CDC doesn't require you to write the notes. This is more for me. Something that my analyst always said to me: you have to document everything, and when you document, you have now a proof that you have done it. You have the date, you have the hour, and this is more to protect your business. This kind of paper will protect your business. So I have done 3 different ways. I have done writing by hand, then I did one in Microsoft Word, then I create another one, trying to create one that is gonna be faster. I want to make sure that I have the right system. But so far, I'm still working into this. This is what I have done this week. It's a lot of numbers. So if one day licensing or my insurance come to me and they ask me, what are your plans to prevent the COVID-19? This is one of my plans. I already have a report. I have a lot of proof that shows that I'm a professional. To keep a log is not mandatory, but you don't have to do it. I'm also doing a weekly survey. Some other providers, they do daily. In my case, it's only once a week. And yes, this is also not mandatory. It's just a suggestion. This is mine. It's 1 page. So I have many copies for each parent, and what I do is I put this one every Monday on the table, so every parent, they know that they have to fill out this one before I accept the child. Another thing I did, I had to make a new update to my contract where it talks about the COVID-19 in my new regulations. Communication is the key to run a smooth childcare. This is just an update about the COVID-19. If you already subscribe in my channel, you can send me an email at this address. Make sure you write your YouTube name so I know that it's coming from you, and I will be happy to share with you my survey, also my contract. Now, what happens if you haven't subscribed? You can subscribe now. Another big question: what happens if a child comes to your childcare with a runny nose? In my contract indicates 0 symptoms. I am not a doctor, and I don't want to take the risk somebody getting sick under my care. I won't take the risk. Friends, it takes one child to infect the whole group, and not just those kids. Think about their family, think about their jobs. And by you trying to be a doctor, oh, maybe this is allergies. If this child has allergies, or maybe can be asthma, this child must be under a treatment, and also a doctor needs to have a plan for him or her. Then I will consider it. But I cannot risk the life of my kids, my families, and also myself for one child. Right now we are in the middle of a pandemic, and we have to be extra careful about every decision we make. Keep in mind, in case you close your childcare, you might not get payments. That will cause a financial pain in your family and your business. So don't try to be a doctor. And yes, call me strict, I am, but the health and the life of my children under my care is more important than anything to me. And neither a doctor will come to tell me what I can do in my program or no. In the past, I used to get doctor notice saying that that this child who has a persistent cough and is full of moco, it's okay to come and be part of my childcare. Right now, if a child has a runny nose, I send them home right away. They have 30 minutes to pick up this child. Otherwise, I will terminate my contract with this parent. And yes, it will hurt not getting paid. It will hurt by losing this child. But at the same time, it will hurt me more by losing my other 13 kids. So you lose one child or you lose your whole group. Keep in mind, every parent trusts you, and they trust you because they believe on you. So we have to be more strict about the regulations and about all the things that we are gonna do to protect each of these little ones. Sorry friends, sometimes I get way too emotional. I hope I answered some of your questions and concerns. I wasn't planning to make this video, but I'm glad I did. If you have any concerns or any other question that I should share with you guys, please comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click also the notification button so you won't miss my next video. I will be doing a teacher giveaway when I get 500 subscribers. So please help me to reach my goal. Thank you so much for watching. Hasta pronto. See you soon.